Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. As much as you enjoy cooking and baking, I'm sure there are times when you can get frustrated. One of them is dealing with sticky ingredients such as molasses, honey, syrups, and others. Here's the perfect kitchen trick to handle these the easy way. So my friends, let's get cooking.
The trick is to use cooking spray. That's right. That's all you need. Let's use honey here. Simply spray your spoon with enough to cover the surface and then add honey. Pour it into your recipe and you'll see how fast and easy it slides off the spoon. This is how well it works. See, there's no honey left behind. Look at this. It works as well on other measurement tools such as a measuring cup. Now this time, let's use molasses. We all know the saying, slow as molasses. And when using it in cooking or baking, it's painful because it takes forever. Now watch how fast the molasses pours into the glass bowl. Perhaps not as fast as honey, but definitely much faster than without the use of cooking spray. And once again, there's barely any left in the measuring cup, which means you can now have accurate measurements.
As you saw in this video, this little trick helps to slide off sticky ingredients easier, faster, and without too much mess. Plus, you can get an accurate measurement for your recipes. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!